Elon Musk is one of the most famous entrepreneurs in the world. He is known for his big ideas and his desire to change the future through technology. His journey from a curious child in South Africa to one of the world's richest people is an inspiring story of determination and hard work. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. As a child, he loved reading books and learning about science and technology. He was very curious and often spent hours reading encyclopedias and science fiction novels. When he was only 12 years old, Elon taught himself computer programming. He even created a simple video game called Blastar and sold it to a computer magazine. This was his first experience as a young entrepreneur. As he grew older, Elon dreamed of living in the United States because he believed it was a place where great ideas could become reality. First, he moved to Canada and later went to the United States to continue his education. In the 1990s, the internet was growing rapidly. Elon and his brother started a company called Zip2, which provided online business directories and maps. The company became successful and was eventually sold for millions of dollars. Instead of retiring, Elon used his money to start another company called X.com, an online financial service. This company later became PayPal, one of the world's most popular online payment systems. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay, making Elon a wealthy man. However, Elon did not stop there. He wanted to achieve even bigger dreams. He founded SpaceX with the goal of making space travel cheaper and helping humans become a multi-planetary species. At first, many people thought his ideas were impossible. The company experienced several failed rocket launches and nearly ran out of money. But Elon refused to give up. Eventually, SpaceX succeeded and became one of the world's leading space companies. Its rockets now carry astronauts and satellites into space. Elon also joined Tesla, an electric car company. Under his leadership, Tesla became one of the world's most valuable automobile companies in the world and helped popularize electric vehicles. Over the years, Elon became involved in many other projects, including solar energy, artificial intelligence, and advanced transportation systems. His life has not been free from challenges. He has faced criticism, business difficulties, and moments of failure. Yet he continues to take risks and pursue ambitious goals. Supporters admire him for his creativity and determination, while critics sometimes question his decisions and leadership style. Nevertheless, there is no doubt that Elon Musk has had a major impact on technology and business. Today, Elon Musk is recognized as one of the most influential entrepreneurs of modern times. His story teaches us that great achievements often begin with curiosity, hard work, and the courage to dream big. From a young boy who loved books and computers to a businessman helping shape the future of technology, Elon Musk's journey continues to inspire millions of people around the world.